What to do after no contact. Stoicism. What should you do after no contact? You've stayed silent. You've resisted the urge to reach out. You've created distance and focused on yourself. But here's what most men don't realize. No contact is not the end of the journey. It's only the beginning. Many men think that simply disappearing will automatically bring a woman back. But no contact is just a tool. What truly matters is what happens afterward. The period after no contact is where most men either rebuild attraction or destroy all the progress they've made. Let's talk about the steps that separate a high-value man from everyone else. Number 1, understand that no contact is only the beginning. No contact creates space. It gives both people time to step away from emotions and see the relationship from a different perspective. During that time, she experiences life without your presence, your attention, and your energy. But if you return immediately with desperation, neediness, or emotional pressure, all that progress disappears. The purpose of no contact isn't to play games. It's to regain your self-respect, rebuild your focus, and create a healthier dynamic moving forward. A man who knows his worth doesn't act emotionally, he acts intentionally. 2, watch her actions, not her words. When communication begins again, pay attention. Does she reach out first? Does she show genuine interest? Does she make an effort to reconnect? Most men get excited over a simple text message and immediately assume everything has changed. Don't rush. High-value men observe before they react. A casual message might simply be curiosity. It doesn't automatically mean commitment or serious interest. Stay patient. Let her actions reveal her intentions over time. The truth is simple. Actions always tell a more accurate story than words. Number 3, reignite attraction through growth. If she reconnects with you, don't jump back into the old dynamic. The biggest mistake men make is acting exactly the same way they did before. Instead, let her see that you've grown. Maybe you've improved your fitness, advanced your career, developed new skills, or become more focused on your purpose. Real growth creates attraction because it shows that your life continued moving forward. People are naturally drawn to those who are constantly evolving. Your progress should speak louder than your promises. 4, create curiosity. Curiosity is one of the strongest emotions in attraction. The less predictable you become, the more interesting you appear. This doesn't mean playing games or hiding everything about your life. It simply means not revealing everything at once. When she asks what you've been doing, don't give a long report about every detail. Share enough to keep the conversation engaging, but allow some mystery to remain. People naturally value what they have to discover. When your life feels exciting and meaningful, curiosity happens naturally. 5, stay emotionally balanced. This is where many men fail. The moment she returns, they become overly available. They answer instantly, cancel plans, and place her back at the center of their world. Don't do that. Maintain the same emotional balance you developed during no contact. Whether she's warm or distant, interested or uncertain, your mindset should remain steady. Your confidence should not depend on her mood. Emotional stability is attractive because it signals strength, maturity, and self-control. When you stay grounded, you create an atmosphere of trust and respect. 6, let her invest. 2 healthy relationships require effort from both people. If she's serious about reconnecting, she should also contribute to rebuilding the connection. Many men make the mistake of doing all the work while expecting very little in return. This creates an unhealthy imbalance. Pay attention to her effort. Is she initiating conversations? Is she making time for you? Is she showing genuine interest? A relationship becomes stronger when both people invest equally. Never forget that your time and energy have value. 7, become irreplaceable through purpose. The most powerful thing you can do after no contact has nothing to do with her. It's becoming the best version of yourself. Women are naturally drawn to men who have purpose, direction, and ambition. When your life is filled with meaningful goals, you become more confident, more fulfilled, and more attractive. Focus on your mission, build your career, improve your health, develop your skills, create a life that excites you. The more complete your life becomes, the less dependent you are on anyone else's approval. That's what makes a man unforgettable. 8. Stay in control of your emotions. Reconnecting can trigger old feelings. You may feel excitement, hope, or even anxiety. But remember this: emotional control is power. Don't allow emotions to push you into impulsive decisions. Respond thoughtfully. Stay calm during difficult conversations. Refuse to be pulled into unnecessary drama. A man who controls his emotions controls his direction, and that kind of composure is incredibly attractive. Number 9, create a vision for your future. People are attracted to those who know where they're going. When you have a clear vision for your life, others naturally become curious about joining that journey. Talk about your goals, share your ambitions, speak about the future with confidence and excitement, not to impress her, but because you're genuinely committed to building something meaningful. Purpose creates momentum, and momentum attracts people. Number 10, never forget your worth. This is the most important lesson of all. No contact began because you chose to respect yourself. Don't abandon that self-respect simply because communication returns. Remember your value. Remember your standards. Remember what you've learned. Not everyone will recognize your worth, and that's okay. What matters is that you recognize it. A relationship should be built on mutual respect, effort, and appreciation. If those things aren't present, be willing to walk away again, because the strongest position you can ever have is knowing that your happiness doesn't depend on someone else's choice. A high-value man doesn't chase validation. He knows his worth, protects his peace, and continues moving forward. And that's exactly what makes him impossible to replace. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this message. And remember, the goal isn't getting someone back. The goal is becoming the kind of man who never loses himself again.